So if your HP Smart app is literally not finding your printer right now and you have no idea what is going on, well, this video is exactly what you need. Here, I'm gonna walk you through the quick fixes step by step. And hey, if you get stuck at any point of time, there's a number on the screen, just give them a call and they will sort you out one-on-one, real quick. Alright, now let's jump right in and get it fixed. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Go to the search section of your computer's taskbar and enter HP Smart. When the HP Smart app option appears, click on it. On the right side panel, you should click on the app's settings option. Once you are on the page, scroll down a bit and then click on the repair button. After that, click on the reset option if you want, as it will remove all your previous data. If the problem is not resolved, choose the uninstall option to remove the app and then reinstall it. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.